Once upon a time, in a small village surrounded by big hills and beautiful rivers, there was a boy named Liam. Liam didn't have much growing up. His family was poor, their house was old and leaky, and sometimes Liam went to sleep feeling very hungry. But even though things were tough, Liam had a big heart and an even bigger dream.
Liam loved to learn. He spent a lot of time at the village library, reading every book he could find. Books were like magic portals to him, showing him exciting worlds and teaching him new things. Liam dreamed of going to college one day, even though it seemed almost impossible. But Liam was determined. He worked very hard in school, and his teachers noticed. They told him he could achieve anything he set his mind to. So, Liam worked even harder, and guess what? He got a scholarship to go to college. It was hard at first because everything was so different, but Liam didn't give up. He studied a lot and soon became one of the top students. After college, Liam got a great job and started to make his dreams come true. He also met a wonderful girl named Sophia. Sophia was kind and funny, and she and Liam fell in love. They understood each other perfectly and shared many happy moments together. Finally, they got married, and it was a beautiful wedding. Friends, family, and even Liam's old teachers came to celebrate. It was a day full of happiness and laughter. Liam's story shows us that no matter where we start, with hard work and a lot of heart, we can achieve our dreams and find happiness. And sometimes, along the way, we find someone special to share it all with.